Okay, this camera. Yes. Let's see if I can share this. Welcome back to my channel. We are live. We are live. Please, if you are joining me, hit the like button. Just give me some minute. Let me say this. Okay. I don't know where is this. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the delay. Um, we have to make sure that everything is working properly before we start. I think we are good to go. I think we are good to go. I'm trying my best to make sure that everything works perfectly before the commencement of this live stream. As you can see, the topic we would like to look into the activities of Biafran National Guard. Although I need to make a changes in the title because I think I put something different there. Uh, I think I put something different there. Please, as you are joining the live, just hit the like button, hit the like button. Most of us knows this group, the Afran National Guard. The leader is Innocent. I think some people prefer to call him General Innocent, which I myself I don't think is necessary, because for you to be a general, you have to merit it. You have to get yourself involved in certain things before you bear the name general. Um, we all know the activities in Biafra, but some of us believe that they are the same thing with Biafra government in Ezra, which is not true. They are not the same. So we need to get that correct. We need to make sure that everything, what we are saying, it is the way it is. What we are saying. So we don't need to add anything to that. We don't need to add anything to that. It is very, very important. Sometime in the past, this group, there was a time that MNK, Masnamon kind of tried to unite, try to bring them into bring this group into IPOB. And I was told that DOS members, they really manipulate Masnamon a lot. So they frustrated him. I think they are the one that bridged the peace that was about to happen between them and IPOB. So they couldn't forge ahead with the unity, and they kept operating differently. Today, this group BNG, Biafra National Guard, most of the times we don't know the activities. You understand? I have seen a clip, I think some videos where this group they went to a shop where they're selling something. I think that's a petrol station in Nigeria. They went there and started taking petrol for free. And the same time went to the supermarket in that petrol station and they collected some items and they made away with it without making any payment. Today there's a news that I came across where they are denying, working with PM. I am not here to defend the Biafran government in Israel because I don't need to. Their work is speaking for themselves. So their work is speaking for them. I don't need to come here to start painting words and making things look as if Biafran government in Israel are voiceless. No, they are not voiceless. This group, BNG, Biafran National Guard, have tried their best to make things look in a way that most of Biafrans are not pleased at all. I really want to understand their job. I really want to be honest with you. I really want to understand their job, but it is quite difficult for me. It is quite difficult for me. Difficult in the sense that most of the times when you think that they are working, together with IPOB, or they are working to liberate our people, or they are working to achieve Biafrans, they achieve Biafran nation. They are not, because for years they have been in existence, and none of us can point out one thing and say, "Look, this is what they have done. This is what they are doing." You can't say that. You can't say that because a lot of people don't understand that the agenda is almost the same thing with that of DOS. Why do I say so? A group who is fighting for freedom in Nigeria, Biafran freedom in this case, they claim they are fighting for Biafran freedom. At the same time, they are operating in Nigeria. And the same Nigerian government, I have not for once arrest the leader. There's no arrest whatsoever. So this same government is working seriously to kidnap a leader like someone up at the PM. They successfully kidnapped MNK from Kenya, whereas the general Innocent, who is the leader of this group, is there in Nigeria without anybody questioning his activities. Nobody is coming for him. Nobody is challenging him or whatsoever. He is there operating in Nigeria, and Nigerian army have not done anything to capture him, to arrest him. Just imagine the effort Nigerian government put in capturing the activities of activity of IPOB by kidnapping Martin Americano. Went to Kenya to do that, and in Kenya they successfully kidnapped Martin Americano and brought him back to Nigeria. Whereas this group, Biafra National Guard, they are there in Nigeria, operating every day, every now and then, showing their arms, showing everything, and nothing have happened to the leader. Currently, Nigerian government are working tooth and nail to make sure they kidnap Simon Ekpa, which most of our so-called Biafrans are the one projecting that, making sure they even praying and working seriously to make sure the kidnap of Mas Simon Ekpa will be successful. They are doing it because the effort of Mazi Simon Ekpa, the PM and Biafran government in exile, is beyond their imagination, is beyond their comprehension. They cannot even do half, a bit of what PM has done and what he's doing. So the best way for them to feel comfortable is to make sure they delete him from the picture so that they can continue doing what they normally do, calling for fundraising, collecting money, monthly dues, and earning salary from agitation. So I want you to understand that Biafran Nation Guard have not for once go after Fulani herdsmen. I have not seen any video of them criticizing Fulani herdsmen or try to do something to make sure that everything they are doing, everything they are doing is for actualization of Biafra. They have not done that. What they do, they focus on their self agitation. I don't really know their aim actually, because for more than 7 years I've been hearing the name Biafran Nation Guard. I've been hearing the name. I've been hearing I have seen the video. So, like as I was saying, this group have not done anything to prove they are for Biafra, because you cannot be fighting for your freedom in a country like Nigeria and you feel so comfortable with the system. The government is not after you. They keep on releasing press release like the one they have done just recently against PM, saying that they are not working with anybody abroad. So when you are talking about someone abroad, our people, some of our people who are not, who are pretending to fight, to be fighting for Biafran freedom, sometimes when they mention this abroad of a team that you are in abroad, you are not here, you should come down and all that, it is the same tone with the government which you want to liberate yourself from. The same thing government of Nigeria are saying is the same thing these people are, saying as well. So what is the difference? What is the difference? I don't know. I don't really know. If you know, please let me know, because I really want someone to educate me. Maybe I need some information to make sure that what I'm feeling about this group is exactly what it is. Because I have not seen anyone who is fighting for his freedom and choose not to do the needful. And government is comfortable with your presence in the land. They are not coming after you. They have not for once arrest the leader. And the same government is working every now and then to make sure they kidnap the leader. So please, I want to make sure that all of us see it the way I'm seeing it. If you have different opinion, I think I need to share a link. I will end this live broadcast. Then I will come back again because I want you to come in. Maybe you have a better knowledge of this Biafra National Guide. Just come in. Let's talk about it because nobody is talking about this group. Nobody is talking about this group. They're not asking for fundraising. Yes, I know. Who is sponsoring them? Who is financing them? How are they making their money? What are they for? Biafra National Guide should be that should be the. It sounds like a name that is meant for guiding the territorial integrity of Biafrans, to guide the country, to guide everything about Biafrans. But that is not what we are seeing. Why is it so different? Why is it so different? I want to have that knowledge. I want to have that knowledge. I want somebody to educate me on that. Somebody should educate me on that because Martin Amadokano, we know his activities. We know what he stands for. We know his operation mode of operation. The same thing with Simon Ekpa. Even Owazurike, during his own time, you can see his mission. His mission was Biafra, right? Before he now deviated to join federal government and all that. But Biafra National Guide, I really want to understand their job. I'm serious about this. I really want to understand that job because nobody is talking about them. Even Maxwell, the other guy, I forgot his own group. He has come out for some, sometimes he broadcast and he made it clear that through his support to Biafra government in exile. Whereas this group are indirectly attacking PM and Biafra government in exile. And you are for Biafra. And Biafran army is comfortable with you. You are showing your arms, your weapons, and all that. Last time the Nigerian army claimed they have invaded their camp, and only for us to see again the arms they claim they have looted from the camp of this Biafran National Guard. We see the same arm again back to the Biafran National Guard. They are still using the same car, the same arm, the same everything. So are they working for Biafran or are they, internal enemy? I really want to understand. So if, like I said, I will end this broadcast, then I will now share a link. I will come back again. I will come live. I will come back and share a link for you to come in and tell me what you think what is the job of this group? What is their job? What is their job? We all know the effort that Nigerian government put in kidnapping of mass American, and therefore they're making and pushing hard to go after PM. But the leader of this group is in Nigeria, and at the same time throwing challenge to PM, come back to Nigeria that he's fighting from abroad, that we are not in alliance with anybody fighting from abroad. What kind of stupid statement is that? I heard that press release. I felt so embarrassed. You shouldn't do that when you claim to be fighting for freedom. What kind of freedom are you fighting for? It is very, very embarrassing. It is very, very, very embarrassing. Okay. I will end the live stream now, and I will come back again. I will come back again so that I will be able to share the link, because it is very important. It is very, very important.